Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Splash Beverage Group. Now, after a huge volatility, the stock is literally showing some respite, and it's an opportune time to look at this particular stock, because instead of huge amount of volatility in the overall market, the stock is showing an upside. So let us analyze the weekly chart of Splash Beverage Group. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now what do we have here? Here we are. So this is the lower end of the range, and here we are. So these two levels are your important I would say support as well as stop loss on the downside. So please do not go below 1.73 and 1.33, right? So please do not go below these two specific levels as far as the downside is concerned, and this will make your life simple. Okay, so these are your two most important level, and as far as your immediate support is concerned, this is what we have here. So this is what we have here as far as the immediate support is concerned, which is 2.52. Now if the stock of Splash Beverage Group continues to sustain above 2.52, we have couple of calculated levels that we are going to look at as far as the upper end of the range is concerned. So what lies beyond 2.52 are, you have 5.74, you have 6.79 or 6.8, then we have $9. After $9 we will move towards the highest end of the range, which is 15.4 and 15.5. so these are your next couple of targets that we are going to look at as far as the, I would say, big chart or big price action of Splash Beverage Group is concerned. And we have seen this thing happening again and again, where the stock is making some very sharp moves. Yes, indeed, it is unable to sustain its moves, but moves are happening, and after a big correction, probably this is the time for this stock to move higher again. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.